to AgriPreneur Life. In today's video, I'll show you how to raise strong, healthy chickens, ducks, turkeys, and guineafowls using natural herbs instead of expensive or harmful chemicals. Let's turn your farm into a healthy, thriving one the natural way. Why use herbal? Why use herbal medicine? Herbal medicine keeps your animals healthy from the inside out. It boosts their immunity, prevents common diseases, and even improves growth and egg production. The best part? You can find most of these herbs right around your home, free and effective. The 5 most powerful farm herbs. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. Crush 1 or 2 cloves and mix them in feed or water 2 to 3 times a week. It helps fight bacteria, worms, and improves appetite. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric boosts immunity and keeps the liver healthy. Add a teaspoon to every kilo of feed. You'll notice stronger, more active animals. 3. Ginger. Ginger helps during cold or rainy seasons. You can boil it in water or mix grated ginger in the feed to keep birds warm and disease-free. 4. Neem leaves. Neem works as a mild dewormer and natural insect repellent. Boil a few leaves, cool the water, and give it once a week. 5. Moringa leaves. Moringa is full of vitamins and minerals. Feed it fresh or dried, it helps boost growth, egg production, and immunity. Herbal water rotation plan. Here's a simple weekly schedule to keep your animals in top shape. Week 1, garlic water, 10 milliliters per liter. Week 2, apple cider vinegar, 10 milliliters per liter. Week 3, ginger tea or turmeric tea, light. Week 4, a plain clean water for rest. Repeat this cycle, it keeps their digestive system clean and strong. Pest and disease control is very important in farming. To control pests and flies naturally, spray neem or eucalyptus leaf water around coops once a week. You can also sprinkle wood ash or lime on the floor to reduce bacteria and odor. Clean water and clean surroundings, that's your first medicine. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Healthy feed, clean housing, and natural herbs can save you money and keep your farm thriving. No chemicals, no stress, just nature's power. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to AgriPreneur Life and share this video with other farmers who want healthy, chemical-free animals. Together, we can farm smarter, naturally.